Hey, what's going on? It's Joe, DJ Mojo, saving the city one party at a time. Welcome to another video here on my YouTube channel. And in this video, we'll be comparing the Maui 44G2 and the RCF Evox 12. Now, the video clip that you're about to see, it was very spontaneous. I met up with a DJ friend of mine. I was returning a rental, the Evox 12, and he recently purchased the LD Systems Maui 44G2, and we're like, hey, why don't we just try things out and let's compare the sound of these two speakers. So that's what we did. Little did we know that we were going to be there for a while just listening into the sound and different styles of music out of these speakers. I just want to give you some context right now because the video that we took was all in the moment, so we didn't really prepare things on exactly how we're going to structure the video, but we did our best to share with you our experience and what it's like to listen from these speakers. And if there's anything that's unclear in this video, drop it down in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them. This is our first take on it and we hope to make another video on it. Also, to give you a better idea, we filmed this inside the garage, so we weren't able to turn up the speakers as loud as we would like to really hear their potential. And just also note that we recorded the sound out of my iPhone 13, so just be mindful of that as well. Obviously, the difference in sound will be much different whenever you're in person. So stay tuned to the very end. You're going to hear our thoughts on these speakers, and just know that our opinions may change. Obviously, this is just our first take, and we hope to make more videos like this so that way we can get to hear them in different environments and in different applications, so that way we can really give our thorough review. So this is just a side-by-side comparison and just sharing you our thoughts. And once again, if anything isn't really clear, put it down in the comments below. I'll read them and we'll do our best to answer them for you. And also, let's all be respectful here in this community on YouTube, and we hope to make more videos like this for you. So stay till the very end, let us know your thoughts, and we hope that this video has been helpful, and let us know for any future video content that you would like to watch as well. Anyways, let's get to it. It's the LD Systems Maui 44G2 versus the RCF Evox 12. Let's go. Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's DJ Mojo, saving the city one party at a time. I'm here with DJ Amo. Amo, say what's up.
What's up? How we doing?
We're doing great. I mean, check this out. We have two beastly speakers right here. We have the Evox 12 on the right. This is the Maui 44G2, right? G2. Maui 44G2 by LD Systems. We're hooking things up right now, and we're going to do a sound check, or actually sound test, with these guys right here.
Because we're nerds.
Because we're nerds. So just want to share everyone the context, what's going on here, making sure like we're setting this up right so people want to replicate this and understand the sound that we're trying to create here. We are using the RCF mixer. We have one left and one right. The left is going to the Evox 12.
And then the right is going to the Maui.
And then the right is going to the Maui 44G2.
What were you thinking? House music? Is that something that we can do?
Yeah, we'll do a few genres. Before we continue with this little test that we have going on here, put it down in the chat. Which speaker do you think is gonna sound better? And mind you, we're in a garage. Okay, so you can't really blast this out loud, but we'll do what we can. And also, I want to let people know that we are recording on the iPhone 13, no external microphone. We're just recording as is. The quality, just mind that it may not be the exact replica as you would hear in person. All right, so once again, on the left is the new LD Systems Maui 44G, and on the right we have the RCF Evox 12. Let's do this.
I think we're gonna start off with the Evox.
Evox.
Let's do the Evox.
All right, so we're gonna have Amo. He's gonna be the guy controlling the sound, and obviously he'll come here and take a listen to it too.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field.
Oh, I hear a difference.
Oh yeah.
hear a difference for sure.
Definitely you hear the difference.
I feel so close to you right now. It's a force field.
And I wish I could bump these.
I know.
You can make it louder.
Upon my sleeve like a big deal.
All right, last time
Yep,
we're
go.
gonna do.
Evox 12.
Your love pours down on me, surround me like a waterfall. And there's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now.
All right. So I want to see the settings here. By the way, the dials here are at 12 o'clock.
The sub has a slightly bigger boost.
So what you heard earlier was with the bass boost off. Can you try one more time?
Bass boost?
Yeah.
Sure.
Bass. So this one I did it with bass boost on now. All right, so we are doing a test right now. We're gonna start off with the Evox 12. Evox 12 is on the right, and this is with the bass boost on in the back of the Evox 12. Okay.
All right. All right. Last
Okay.
one.
Yep.
Evox.
One more Evox 12.
Wash away the pain. The devil's touch from the warm wind is blowing.
All right, the next track that we're gonna play is DJ Snake's "You Are My High." And the reason why I chose this song because it has some good highs and then there's some good low end to kick in. Here we go. Let's see. Subs, yeah.
It's just one call away, and you'll leave him yours loyal to me.
Oh, me?
But this time I'll let you be, 'cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like
Goes
you
louder.
should. And all your friends say he's the one. There's love for you. It's true. But does he know the pictures that you keep? Or does he know the you should be with him? I let you go for time. You should stay with him, 'cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should.
All right, so we just finished testing out the sound out of the LD Maui 44G and the RCF Evox 12. I hope you listened to that, and don't forget that we recorded this on the iPhone 13, so hopefully it sounded just as good wherever you are watching this video. And now Amo and I are going to just give us some thoughts about these speakers. Amo, you go first, and then I'll go.
So I don't know, but the LD system provided a lot more. It's a more well-rounded sound, and for me, I felt like the fact that you can still turn up the bass more than what the RCF can offer was a huge thing for me. And overall, it just sounded a little more punchier. It hit the frequencies more compared to the Evox 12. Granted, the Evox 12 they're both great speakers, but I did hear a slightly better sound out of the LD.
And for me, you know, I'm an RCF guy, you know, it's really hard to give a really just neutral opinion about this. For the LD, I would say that it definitely sounds clear, especially with just all the frequencies were there. You can really hear all the frequencies. But for the LD though, the way I describe it compared to the Evox, like, it sounds really clear, and these are just my words. I feel like it still sounds like it's coming from a speaker, but for some reason, like, I'm very picky with vocals, just vocals in general, and vocals, the Evox 12, I think gives it more space and air where it feels more natural. It doesn't sound like it's coming from a speaker, in my opinion. Like, I feel more immersed into the sound out of the Evox 12, but the LD is clear in terms of the vocal. Low end wise, the LD has much more room. There's two knobs, one knob to control the main and the other one to control the sub. And the sub really has good output. Here on the Evox 12, the only thing that you have here is just a simple bass boost, but it didn't really compare or go as much low end compared to the LD. Another thing to consider too, I don't know if this affects it too much, but this whole column, there is sound coming out of that from the LD, right? Whereas the Evox 12, it's missing, well, it's not really missing, it's just the speaker is only on this top part. We wish we could have tested out long range at a little longer distance.
Even if we bump it up louder to like an actual event level type of situation, you know, when people are dancing, like what we want to hear what those levels sound like with the speakers. So, you know, maybe one day we can take it out somewhere open and we can bump it.
yeah, definitely. And you know what? Granted, like, this is we're doing this at a garage.
It's totally impromptu. Like,
totally impromptu. I think at lower volumes, I mean, the LD was really clear. But I've noticed that the more we turn on the volume of the RCF, it came out better, I think. It came out better the more we raise the volume out of the RCF. But at a quiet volume, I would say the LD sounded much clearer. But I know, because I've used these Evox 12s before, and they definitely sound clear, especially they sound really good loud. I just have to hear both again. We have to do another test, Amo. You know,
I feel like we need to put the LD through more hours too, because it's a fresh speaker, and usually they say give it a few hours to kind of like really loosen up, you know, whatever components are inside to give it that full sound. You know, maybe we can give it another head-to-head battle, you know, once we put more use into it.
For sure. Yeah, but this was great, guys. I hope you enjoyed this comparison in terms of the sound. We do our best, and like I said, we are recording from the iPhone 13, and I don't know how this translates over to your end, but I hope our opinion kind of helped you out here. But we still have to do some more tests, especially in a loud setting. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know down in the comments what you want us to do next in comparison. Hopefully we can make another video depending on how many likes we get here in comments. So and then you guys can help us conduct the test too. So, and hopefully we can give you guys a better look at these next time. So once again, this is the Maui 44G2 by LD Systems. And then this one on the right is the Evox 12 by RCF. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for another video. All right.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.
All right, catch you later. Bye.